Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. An emergency fund can save you in a financial crisis. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an emergency fund target on Empower in under 2 minutes. So let's get into it. The first step is to open Savings Planner. So from your Empower dashboard, you want to click the Planning tab and then choose Savings Planner. Next step is to select Emergency Fund Goal. So go to the Emergency Fund section. Empower will suggest a target based on 3 to 6 months of your average expenses. Next is to adjust target amounts. Now you can increase or decrease the amounts depending on your comfort level and of course your job stability. Next step is to track contributions. Empower will automatically track your linked savings accounts to show your progress towards the targets, which of course you can track over time. And the final step is to review periodically. So you want to check and adjust your goals as your expenses or financial situation changes. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.